चलो सर उस तरफ सर
साइड में साइड
थैंक यू
से समथिंग प्रभात बोलना चाहिए आपको बहुत सेंटेंस में बोलो
खुशी है सर
सब लोग क्लैप करो उसको crying for food he'll never complain on cafeteria food he'll never complain on any issues he's always coming to duty he will work ये काम करते आते काम करते जाते उतना ही तक बात करता नहीं बोलता नहीं कंप्लेन करता नहीं आता है काम करते जाता है one of the best leading honest employee in security department is Prabhat you deserve this award congratulations इसको अंदर बहुत कॉस्टली गिफ्ट इधर मत खोलो घर में जाके नहीं तो सब लोग जाड़ा के ला जाए
सर वीडियो हो रहा है सर
एनी अदर गेस्ट एनी अदर गेस्ट प्रकाश इसी का नाम बोलो आपका नाम मना है तो
सर
नो सर इसी का नाम बोलो अरे वो से ग्रेट थैंक्स बट रॉन्ग आंसर मंजुला चिरंजीवी करेक्ट आंसर हाउ डिड यू नो आपको कैसे मालूम पड़ा ये nominees please be quiet sorry the jury team who nominated now please be quiet who is Manju here
नो सर
yes Manju okay so who will come forward on behalf नंदन सर आप आ जाओ ना मेरे को come forward आप सिर्फ पोज दे दो लेकिन गिफ्ट उसका दे दो अच्छा ले लो 2-3 ले लो 4-5 ले लो शेक कर देगा एक ही नहीं थैंक यू कुमार आप जाओ मैंने सर बात करेगा उधर से देखो कैसे बात करते इतना
बाद में बात करूंगा
श्योर
पूरा बड़ा वसन
श्योर वेरी गुड नरेंद्र स्ट्रेट टू मल्टी टेक्नीशियन तो लेकिन बार बार उसको कभी भी नाइट शिफ्ट में डाल रहा था इसलिए आज नहीं आया अवार्ड लेने के लिए बट एज ए मैनेजर यू शुड प्लीज रोटेट ऑल योर स्टाफ ठीक है वो भी रिकॉर्ड कर दो आपको याद रहेगा
ओके सर
थैंक यू सो नेक्स्ट रिसीविंग अवार्ड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ प्रभु department so on behalf of Prabhu please come forward Dharma you want to come and give any award for anybody punctual reliable discipline कैसे discipline है
नहीं
consistently meeting deadlines and maintain accuracy in financial tasks okay ज़्यादा बोला तो बोल लगे ये तुम इधर आ लोग एप्पल भी सर्विस आ गया तो कोई भी मुंह नहीं खोलता नहीं anyways we call out the winner any guesses next name any guesses the answer अवार्ड लेने के बाद ताली भी नहीं बजाता रही खबर ले लो घर पे भेजो उसको पहले तो उनका घर वाला है ना ले लो 2-3 ले लो उसको कॉल अप ना वेर इज ही नो यू आर स्टार्ट द ड्यूटी सो हु कैन वी कॉल टू रिसीव दिस अवार्ड कार्तिका प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड सौम्या रंजन बेहुरिया कैसे बोलते हैं बेहुरिया स्पीड में बोल तो बेहुरिया बेहुरिया ऑलराउंडर ये जस्ट कम एज अ न्यू इनएक्सपीरियंस्ड स्टाफ उसको कुछ भी मालूम नहीं था तब इधर आया था लेकिन इधर इतना सीखा उन्होंने समटाइम्स मेकिंग इट क्लियर कुछ बोल देता वो रिकॉर्ड कर देता फोटो ले लो बस सो गिव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू बेहुरिया best the hotel's best team best department and the well spoken across all other hotels of 37 and across all the BMTCs across all the HODs across all the owners for all these years many years there is one department who's always got that high ranking name can you guess the department can you guess the department with everybody's any other guesses any other also is the main pillar is the 20 years. ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेगा तो मेरा रेस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा. Is he okay? हम लोग मजा कर रहा था, not try. Another sir. Please call. It's Buddha. Yes, the guess is right. We call forward Buddha Devdas. Where is he? इसको forward मत हो गया यार. Please call the छोटो. ये भैया आ जाओ. इसको लो. आ जाओ. क्या अवार्ड ले लो, आ जाओ. आपका बुद्धा देव का अवार्ड आप ले लो. वेलकम. One of the youngest boys. He's working very fine. थोड़ा साथ में करो. वॉच भी ले लो, गिफ्ट भी ले लो. और एक फोटो साथ के साथ. आपका नहीं लेकिन फोटो ले लो, ले सकते. थैंक यू. Shall we ask Prabhu sir to go?
ये जो हमारा अवार्ड मिला है आप सबका सपोर्ट है, इंक्लूडिंग एमडी एंड टू किचन स्टूडेंट, ऑल एचओडी एंड ऑल द स्टाफ्स. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ अस एंड थैंक यू ऑल.
From the bottom of his heart, right from his heart and mind, he is always very true in whatever he is saying. He always respects what he gets and he always loves what he gets. True effort and good achievement by the housekeeping team. We are all proud of the housekeeping team. Once again, give a round of applause to the team, the coordinator, whatever your designation says. Right from Ishwari who sits in the computer to the staff who's on the floor, who's on the room, who's in the room, who's outside the room, from the corridor to the main porch to the basement to the terrace. We all like and we love this, especially this hard-working team who's always putting in their physical exercise again from me as well. Congratulations once again. Alright. So here ends the best employees for all categories. Any other category that is not received with an award? Any other department which is not received with an award? Yes. There is leftover gift. Yes, we'll have to nominate. We'll give them one before we wind up this meeting. ये खत्म होने के पहले we will also acknowledge उसको भी सर्विस खत्म किया. Any guesses? Yes, Manu. Any other name? Huh? Prakash sir. Yes, Prakash sir. Next. Narendra sir. Yes. Any other name? Vivek sir. Any other name? Sorry. I know you guys like her, but not here. Outside the meeting. It's only 5 people. ये 4 people का नाम बोला. और एक बाकी है. सीधा से. वेंकटेश नाम बोल दिया. Okay, I'll count. Sridhar sir. Then Venkateshana. Prakasana. आपको प्रकाशना, मेरे को प्रकाश सर. प्रकाश सर. नरेंद्र सर. रविट सर. आप तो दो बार बोलते हैं. उसको 2 बार चक्कर सर. गेट में जाने के लिए. Very good. It's five members who were the pillars who served this AKHP brand 37% hotel for about 20 plus years. So these are the 5 names. Please go to the 5 names. Mr. Sridhar sir, Narendra sir, Nabir sir, Venktesh sir, and Kanta sir. So all 5 of them are still working with us and they will continue to work with us. They are the example. उन लोग example हम लोग का और इधर service करने के लिए. Because they are not just here without anything. The management are Ravi sir, Anurag sir, everybody have treated them well, taken care of them well. That is why they are all here for more than 20 plus years. Can you go a round of applause again? Welcome. To change me. भैया इधर से ले लो 2 चेयर.
नहीं इधर ही बैठने के लिए बोला.
No, come sir. Is your son?
Yes sir.
Yes. Welcome to our hotel. To get your child get ready by the time you can call them, it takes time, no? That is why you are late. Just इसमें खा लेना, adjust कर. This one, ना? Last slide, final attention from everybody, and heartfelt gratitude. Thank you all our staff members, past and present, for making 37% Hotel a home of hospitality and excellence. Your hard work, loyalty, dedication inspire us every day. Thank you all for gathering. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you everyone for working. Thank you everyone for your journey. Thank you everyone for being with us. It is a team. Without the team's effort, it's very difficult for us to do what we are doing today. And it's very difficult for us to, even travel much more further if there is no proper, strong teamwork. So I wish everybody to support, to contribute, and to continue to contribute to the success of the 37% hotel's success. Thank you all once again for being part of this 20 years hotel anniversaries gathering. And I personally thank everybody for your contribution. Thank you once again to families who have come. We again wholly, heartfully invite the families of Prakash sir and Ravi sir and other families who have come. Thank you so much for coming. Please enjoy your lunch. There will be some small dance and be some cultural activities. Please enjoy like a family, and hopefully we will try and do this every quarterly once, if possible. Every quarterly once some town hall. Yes. You are very fond of doing a lot of TikTok videos. Come here. Hello.
इधर पकड़ा उधर पायल पकड़ा
So, और कोई want to sing? Do some.